Trusted Medical welcomes all pediatric patients from birth to 21 years of age. We see anything from broken bones, lacerations, acute pediatric illnesses. We care for your child based on their age and their child development. Children just aren't small adults. Their anatomy is different and their behavior is different. So treating a 3-year-old is different than an 8-year-old. At Trusted Pediatrics, our clinicians are all board certified in pediatric acute care, primary care, or family medicine. As a clinician, taking that time and being there, answering questions, validating concerns, being an advocate for families, that is why I went into pediatrics. At Trusted Medical, our priority is your child. Our priority is you.